Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, hello, my name is Brianna. It's really nice to have you here. If not, welcome. So I really wanted to start a little mini series on this channel where I kind of just try to recreate like celebrity makeup looks. And I don't know, I kind of thought it would just be fun. So to kick off this little series, I wanted to start off by doing HAILEY BEIBER because I've just been seeing everything about her recently, and I kind of went on a deep dive of her YouTube videos and I kind of got addicted, so I just felt really inspired to try and do like a HAILEY BEIBER signature makeup look. I love her energy, I love everything about her, so I really wanted to try and recreate it, so let's go. Okay, so I'm also filming a TikTok, so I'll put my TikTok out on the screen so you guys can go and watch my TikTok as well. But I know that she is very like minimal, very clean and bronzy, which chef's kiss, I love. So I wanted to do my best to try and channel my inner HAILEY BEIBER. So I'm actually going to be going in with my Glossier Future Dew as well as my De-Bronzy drops by Drunk Elephant. I have these in the mini size, so I'm just going to mix this in my hands. So I'm doing like a pump of the Future Dew and then like a pump of the De-Bronzy. Yeah. Oh no, this looks like it's gonna be dark. Uh-oh. This is not... Oh no, I lost another earring. So I just rubbed it in and it kind of just gave my skin like a little sun-kissed look. It's not really like, it's not like too noticeable or anything like that, but it's just like a nice little touch to the face, which is like something I really love. I think it's so cute. Next, I am just going in with a little bit of my Glossier concealer just under the eyes. It literally, like, her skin... Another earring. Okay, so now I'm just blending in the concealer that I just put all over my face. Also, I just watched one of her videos and she says that she gets really red and she likes to cover up the redness. And honestly, same. So I am trusting in her. So for bronzer, blush, and highlight, I'm going to be going into like this alley oop. This is like a trio, and so if you open the top and then spin it out, you have your blush, bronzer, and highlight right here, which I love, and so I want to kind of play around with this today and use it as a part of this makeup look. So I'm taking this Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to lightly dip into this contour slash bronzer, and I'm just gonna lightly circle it all over my face. She did say in her video she likes to put it on her cheeks as well, and I know that she brings it onto her forehead as well, so we're also doing that. You're looking nice and bronzy. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with blush, and I'm actually going to use the same brush, and I'm going to go in with this light pink shade at the top. And this blush, you guys, is so pigmented. Like, look at this. Look at this. I'm just going over it with a beauty blender real quick to kind of lighten up the pink, because in her picture it kind of doesn't look like she has too much blush on. I'm such a blush girl. I love blush, but I'm not doing my makeup. I'm doing HAILEY BEIBER's makeup, so gotta keep it going. And I know she also mentioned blush on the nose, so I'm just adding a little bit on my nose, taking my beauty blender and blending all of that out, because I know she was talking about like the sunburn look, like where it's just in the center of your face, which I'm way too familiar with. But yeah, I also kind of want to add a little bit of blush like on the forehead, like if we're channeling like a sunburnt look. So this is what the base is looking like so far. I'm also going to take this little highlighter shade with my finger, and I'm just going to tap it where I usually... Okay, base is done, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit of my setting spray on my face really quickly. I don't really remember seeing in any of her videos if she uses powder or not, so I'm not going to, but if she does, then that's also okay. Now onto the brows. She is famous for her fluffy brows, so I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia brow freeze, and I'm going to just try and make my brows as fluffy as I can make them. Okay, honestly, I think for the brows, this is the best that I can get. I'm also going to kind of shape my brows really quickly. I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury brow pencil, and I'm just gonna kind of fill in like the tail and kind of just adding in. Okay, so in the reference picture, it kind of looks like she has like a light brown little eyeshadow on. So for this light brown eyeshadow, I'm actually going to go in with a bronzer. So this is the HAILEY matte bronzer, and I am just going to take a Morphe brush. This is the M573 brush, and I'm just going to kind of put it all over the lid. I'm not like purposely trying to recreate like the entire look, but I just want the look to be inspired. I also do want to add a little bit of glitter onto the eyes, so I'm going in with this ColourPop. They're like singular shadows. This is in the shade Boutonniere, and I'm just taking like the tiniest bit and I'm just rubbing it onto the eyelid. Very messily, doesn't need to be perfect or anything like that. I think for the look, I kind of want to go for like the gold. I'm doing like the smallest wing like possible. Taking my brush and kind of just blending it. So this look is meant to be really simple and easy and kind of like careless, like carefree, dewy, like summery. So I'm just going in with my Essence Lash Princess mascara, and I'm just gonna put some mascara on my eyes. I definitely want to recreate this look when I'm back home for the summer though. I think that'll be so fun. But the last thing we're gonna do is the lips, and she kind of has like a lighter nude, but I don't really own a lighter nude, so I'm just going to be going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. So I'm just gonna start off by lining my lips. I'm just lightly lining them, and then I'm going in with like the smallest amount of the lipstick because I just want to add like some color. It tops it off with a little clear gloss. Alright guys, I think we are done with this look. I'm obsessed. I'm looking at myself in the mirror right now. I definitely think this is, you know how everybody has like their model makeup? I think this is my model makeup. Like, I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I'm obsessed with how this turned out. I definitely think I'm going to be using her kind of like routine, like her style a lot more often. But with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Comment if you want to. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye!